Want fast, flexible control over your fluorescence images? Meet the Fluorescence Manager in iWorks. Merge multiple channels. Start with multiple grayscale channel images. In iWorks, go to Fluorescence Merge. Assign dyes from the preset list or define your own color and label. Select Alexa Fluor 488. Select DARPy from the preset list. To create a custom dye, click Setup. Then Insert. Enter name. Set emission to 599. Choose red as the color, then click Apply and OK. Select red CMX-ROS from the list. Adjust each channel's intensity to get the best composite. With just a click, combine channels into a full-color RGB image, then export for teaching, analysis, or publication. Split color image. Already have a full-color fluorescence image? Use image split to extract red, green, or blue channels. Quickly generate grayscale images of specific fluorophores for focused review or analysis. Save them individually in just seconds. With iWorks Fluorescence Manager, merging and splitting images is fast, precise, and effortless. No scripting, no complexity. Learn more at Lanoptik.com.